Monkeys outside the Singapore Zoo. Some have black numbers on their chest. Why numbered? Wild or zoo escape? But they're so relaxed, playing with tails, grooming each other. Doesn't look like animals that just escaped the zoo. But the clear numbering on every single one is really strange. Maybe researchers are tracking their behavior, or it's a temporary marking from wildlife authorities. If you know what these numbers mean, please tell me in the comments. I'm really curious now.